Yeah, big and bad. Straight. I mean, I say, yo, but I don't know what go on in the country, boy. But I mean, I tell the Jamaican people, them, just look out of here, because you don't know people are dead like sand. You see me? From the young to the old are dead like sand. So, look out of here and have God. Beg God to guide and protect you. You see what I say? And you see some of them young girls, you can't trust them, especially some of them young boys. Or some of the old people them. Even some of them people who have got church. Yeah man, you can't trust them, you see what I say? You just have to have a savior in your plan, you see what I say? For real. You can't let go yourself so. And try not to violate people and try to not diss nobody in a way that's difficult to life, you see me? If they even diss you, just look over it and forgive them and love them. Because where you want to look and next man you look. It's a my message to all around out there we are going to hardship. By friend, family, church brethren, church sister, church brother. You see me? But I go treat you a gangster friend. Just tell yourself to watch out. A different, I know people live a different life on a different page. You see what I'm saying? So, everybody I preach badness now. You see me? And sometimes them things haunt you. So, just do the good what the Bible says if you do. You see me? Yeah man, just do the good what the Bible says if you do. You see what I say? The good you have to do. And everything will work out right and proper way. You see what I say? Yeah man. We need to unite though for our country. And the politicians them, they need to unite and make the country run better. You see what I say? Cut the corruption in the police force. You see me? And the soldier. And everywhere, anywhere, in the car, creeps and the car in this country corruption there. We need to get rid of that, brother. You know, might can't stop certain things, but if we ask God to lead the way, which no probably not do that. I not say I not do it, but no people out there not do it. But you hear me I say? Just do what I tell you, I do what you think is best then. If you don't want to listen to my foolish advice. And remember to cling to your Bible. You see me? Because only God alone can judge you. You see what I say? And some people have money, car, house, and them feel so them higher than the most high. Them is nothing. You see what I say? Yeah. Some people look down on some people like them a shit on the ground or them a rubbish. You see me? And if you check some of them now, them a sickness and name them down. All kind of disease and name them down. Straight. You see what I say? So all the people them are hold on the Savior, now they go. Because the ending time now, that's what I say. And I hope for wickedness to see how go on. All you have to do is just pray. Even in your own community, hope for wickedness to see how go on. You see me? The same black, I sell out black. You don't know how it go? Because if we now want a meditation, we lick for money and we want car and house. So we kill our own brother and sister to get it. We sell them out to get it. We sell out even very one to get it. And when you get it, it just turn back on you and kill you. You hear me I say my brother and sister? And the artists them will preach bad messages over there. When you come together and want to talk more, you know why the crime to stop. And Uno started. And Uno started. Uno is the one who sing the gun show and bust up shot in this and what you gonna do. What do you think the youth them? What do you think the young generation are gonna do?